Did you know that China is no longer just the world's factory? Today, it's the world's laboratory, creating technology that's changing the way we shop, travel, and live. Think about it. Ordering dinner with one tap, paying without cash or cards, or boarding a train that outruns an airplane. Chances are, those innovations didn't just happen in Silicon Valley. They were born in China. So here's the big question. How did China go from imitator to innovator? And what does this mean for the future of global economic power? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you may see China in a way you never have before. Not so long ago, China was known for cheap knockoffs, gadgets, designer fashions, toys, even Christmas ornaments, but that era is long gone. Today, China has become one of the fastest moving engines of innovation on the planet. Government policy aims at transforming China's manufacturing, from low-cost goods to high-tech industries. Since 2015, government programs like the Made in China 2025 plan have poured billions into research. At the same time, private giants like Huawei, Tencent, Alibaba, and ByteDance raced ahead, competing with each other. The results? China now files more international patents than the United States. Entire cities have become testing grounds where futuristic tech rolls out at lightning speed. In just 2 decades, China pulled off one of the fastest tech turnarounds in modern history, and it's only accelerating. If you visit China, you'll notice something immediately. Nobody carries cash. Street food stalls, taxis, everyone uses mobile payments. Alipay and WeChat Pay turned China into the world's first major cashless society. But it doesn't stop there. AI is woven into everyday life. There are apps that scan medical records and offer instant diagnoses, farms where algorithms help plan harvests, and schools where AI tailors lessons to each student. And in China's megacities, traffic lights, security cameras, and delivery drones all feed into smart city systems. It's futuristic, sometimes unsettling, but undeniably powerful. China's tech revolution isn't just digital, it's transforming the roads, rails, and cities beneath our feet. Take high-speed rail. China has built the largest network on Earth, where sleek bullet trains glide at 220 miles an hour. A journey from Beijing to Shanghai, over 800 miles, takes under 5 hours. But China's vision goes beyond speed. It leads the world in solar panels, wind power, and electric vehicles, betting big on green technology to power the future. And while much of the world is still rolling out 5G, China is already testing 6G and investing heavily in quantum computing. These are the technologies that will define the next century. China's ambitions don't stop on Earth. Its Chang'e missions landed on the Moon. Its Mars rover Zhurong explored the Red Planet. And its Tiangong space station is already orbiting above us. Every success brings prestige, but also new breakthroughs in science and engineering. Space, once dominated by the US and Russia, now has a third heavyweight. And China's making it clear, the stars are part of its future. But here's where it gets really interesting. Chinese tech doesn't just stay in China, it's everywhere. TikTok, the world's most downloaded app, is Chinese. Huawei builds telecom networks across Asia, Africa, and Europe. E-commerce giants like Alibaba dominate not just at home, but in global markets. And this expansion brings friction. The US has hit China with trade wars, chip bans, and warnings about cybersecurity. But every obstacle only pushes Chinese companies to innovate more. Meanwhile, Chinese engineers and scientists are graduating in the millions. This focus on STEM education is building one of the largest talent pools on Earth. China isn't just building tech, it's building a tech ecosystem designed to last. Back home in China, tech is reshaping daily life. It's creating millions of new jobs, from AI engineers to delivery drivers. It's changing how people shop, communicate, and even socialize. Online platforms dominate entertainment, streaming, and e-commerce. Many Chinese companies focus on AI and smart technology which can be used in practical applications. And perhaps most striking, while the West debates whether AI is dangerous, surveys show the Chinese population is largely optimistic. People there see it as an opportunity, not a threat. So what does it all mean? From high-speed trains to space missions, from cashless streets to quantum labs, China is leading in ways many never expected. But China's rise sparks big questions. Will China achieve its goal to be the world's leading high-tech manufacturer and innovator by 2049? Or will America and China share the top spot equally? And will they find ways to collaborate? Or will they clash? Finally, in the coming decades, how will this US-China rivalry shape the world we all live in? We don't know how this story ends, but one thing is certain: future chapters won't be written in one place. From Silicon Valley to Shanghai and Shenzhen, the future of technology will be written everywhere. If you found this eye-opening, do like and subscribe for more stories about how history and technology shape our world.